The article titled, "Astonishing Discovery Finds 10,000 Mostly Unknown Viruses in Baby Poo," on Science Alert, discusses a study conducted by an international team of scientists, who spent 5 years studying the feces of 647 Danish babies. The researchers found that the diaper samples contained 10,000 species of virus, 10 times the number of bacterial species in the same children. Most of these viruses had never been described before. The majority of these viruses are bacteriophages, which exclusively infect bacteria and make up a large part of the human microbiome. These bacteriophages were found abundantly in baby feces, with around 90% of the viruses found in the diapers being these bacteria killers. The human gut microbiome is a complex collection of microorganisms, including bacteria, archaea, microbial eukaryotes, and viruses. The viral component of the gut microbiome, or virome, is mainly made up of bacteriophages that help maintain a healthy and diverse microbiome. The researchers created an atlas of infant gut DNA virus diversity, where they grouped the viruses into new virus families and orders based on how similar the genomes were to each other. They found 248 families, of which only 16 were previously known. The remaining 232 newly identified virus families were named after children who took part in the study. Every person has their own unique set of bacteriophages and other viruses in the gut, with almost no overlap between two different people. While each gut virome is unique, it is also stable over time in adults. However, right after a baby is born, this virome is very different from that of an adult, and it only stabilizes after a couple of years. When comparing the approximately 10,000 viruses of this new study with extensive reference virome collections of healthy adults, the researchers found that only about 800 of these viruses had been found before. This suggests that when babies are born and have the first bacteriophages colonize their gastrointestinal tract, these baby bacteriophages don't all stay there, but gradually get replaced with adult bacteriophages. This replacement could be partially linked to the bacterial hosts these bacteriophages infect. For example, Bacteroides, Faecalibacterium, and Bifidobacterium were the most prominent hosts that were predicted for the baby bacteriophages. Bifidobacterium species are very important for infant health as they help with the digestion of breast milk, and are important early in life, but become less abundant as we age. The article concludes by stating that with the addition of these 10,000 new virus species and the many new families, from just one group of several hundred Danish babies, it becomes clear that there's more that we don't know about the virome than what we do know. But the scientific community is working on it, one baby feces sample at a time. The research was republished from The Conversation under a Creative Commons license.